Hey guys, Tony here. Welcome back to the channel. So I really like when someone gifts me some wood to take that and turn it into something that I can gift back to them. So today we're going to be doing that as a Christmas gift. It was something that my father-in-law gave me. He found this chunk of cherry wood that I've had for about a year and a half, but it seems to be dry enough to get something pretty cool out of. So we're going to try and turn it into a medium-sized candle stick for him. We've got a set of about 3 that we're going to give to him on Christmas, or for Christmas rather. But pretty cool piece of wood. I'm excited to get going on it. So let's see what we can make. So that's it. Thanks for sticking around for this one. I loved using this as a way to give back to my father-in-law, who's done so much to help on this journey so far. I hope you enjoyed it too, and will consider subscribing. It's free and it really helps out the channel to grow and to be suggested to more people. Also, if you did like this one, go ahead and hit that like button while you're down there. I do respond to every comment, so if you want to get this conversation started down there, I'm all ears. Anyways, that's it for this one, and I'll see you next time. Bye.